Hello YouTube, this is second HTML tutorial, and in this tutorial I will explain you how to use paragraph and heading tags. The paragraph and heading tags are a visible part of the web page, so it goes in body tag between the beginning and the end of the body tag. So basically to type paragraph tag, it's quite simple. Just type P and then close that tag like that. Inside here type some text as I did. Save that, and when you run this through some web browser, you will see there is some text. So that's the way to display text on the web page. It's quite simple, it's easy to remember because P is paragraph, you know. To use heading, it's kinda easy, but there is something else to add. You don't just type H, you type H1 and close H1. So why H1 I will explain you as soon as I type some text. For example, heading 1. Save that and run. As you can see, heading is a quite bigger font comparing to paragraph, and it's bold. Why is that? Because by default in HTML web language, H1 is the have that how to say properties. For example, H2 and H3. Just to type them all. There are H4, 5, and 6. I will do this. It's quite easier. 5, 6, 5, 6. So I'm gonna type heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. Exactly. When I save this and run through browser, you can see how by default of HTML web language the font size is smaller and smaller, but the text is always bold. So basically you can choose how huge your heading can be, but there is something we call styling an element, and that we can do like this. So I will delete this, and right here after we type P I add space and type style. Then I add equal to and add quotation marks. Inside there I can type something I want to change about my paragraph. So I change font size, and I want my font size to be, I don't know, 20 pixels. And I want to change a color, and I add to blue. So I want to change, I don't know, what else could I change? Font family, and I want it to be, I don't know what kind of Tahama. I think it's just like that. And so when we run this code, you can see how this text is now big, and it's blue, and it's different font than this one. So basically I can type here to be 50 pixels, and when I run this, you can see how this paragraph is now bigger than even this, and I changed that just by typing here font size 50 pixels. And if you want to align this paragraph to center, you can type align equal to quotation marks center. Save it, and let's run this. You can see how the paragraph is now on the center, as it should be, because I said it should be. We can do the same thing to heading, of course. Just copy, save, run. Let's just change the color to red to see the difference. And yes, there it is. In the center, it's red, it's 50 pixels. The font size, it's the Homa font family. It's everything as I want it to be. So why web browser read this? Because I write here the HTML tag and I say I want this heading or this paragraph to be this size, this color, this family, I mean font family, and I want it to be aligned in the center, and that's what I said, and that's what web browser must do, and that's all you have to know for now about paragraph and heading. So thank you for watching, and see you in next tutorial.